Hi everyone, Pepper Kim again. Today I would like to introduce you a really quick, simple, easy snack recipe. For today's recipe, you'd require bread, strawberries, sugar, and lastly, heavy whipping cream. Mix till your hands fall off. Just kidding. You can use a hand blender, but I'm gonna choose to do it manually since we're in circuit breaker and I have a lot of time. Plus, I'll be able to burn some calories while preparing this delicious snack. Continue mixing and stop until it thickens like this. It should be around 3 to 4 minutes by hand, depending on your speed, but with a hand blender, probably 30 to 40 seconds. Now it's time to prep the strawberries. You want to slice off the edge of the strawberries like this. Continue for all 5 pieces. Voila! Now it's time to build. Spread the whipping cream that we prepared as is. Looks tasty, doesn't it? Place the strawberries like shown. Please note, the placement of the strawberries is important. You'll find out why later. Now top the strawberries with the cream and fill the gaps. Lastly, close off the sandwich. Prepare a clean wrap and wrap the sandwich tightly. Put the wrap sandwich in the fridge for about 1 hour. This will allow the cream to get cold and harden. Take out after an hour, and now it's time to unwrap and slice. Now it's time to cut the sandwich. We'll start by cutting off all the edges. Lastly, cut diagonally through the center. Time to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.